Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video we are going to unbox this beautiful kit from Diamond Art Club that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. There was a 40% off event for this week. I'm not sure if it is over yet or not. The original price was $60. I purchased it for $35. This is the image Space for Reflection by Chuck Pinson. The size is 55 by 74 centimeters. This kit includes 44 colors, 2 of them are AB diamonds. And in the same video, we will also unbox this beautiful diamond painting pens. I actually never purchased pens separately before. Actually, no, I did one, but that one was needed for me for AB diamonds. It had wax on it, special wax on it. But I really liked the design of this one. It was $15. And again, since there was a 40% off event, I purchased it for $8. It also comes with the two multiplacers for 4 and 7 drills. So let's open and see how the kit looks inside. This kit includes, except of the canvas and the drills, the tools. We are going to open them and see how they look inside. It also comes with the stickers. Symbols are numbered, and you can just cut it and glue them on the Ziploc bags. It also comes with the instructions and the warranty insurance card. These are the tools: the stylus, the transparent tray, the hand gripper, the 4 drill multiplacer, and 2 pieces of wax in the shape of the heart. Plus the reusable bag that I really like. I can just put the tools back in it. Really nice. So let's start our review with the canvas. The canvas is of a very good quality. This is a velvet canvas. Although it is considered to be fabric based, I personally call it semi-fabric for myself. Why? Because on the back side, the canvas is, let me turn on the flash. This way you will see it better. The canvas is really fabric. It feels like a velvet, really very soft, very nice. But on the front, it feels like a plastic canvas, really very nice quality. It sparkles a lot, if you can see. I mean, the camera doesn't really show, but it sparkles a lot. I personally prefer polyester canvas, like in Diamond Dots or Dreamer Designs, but this one is also nice. Much better than the standard plastic ones that we can see in, for example, AliExpress kits or even in Wizardy. The adhesive is a poured glue. The symbols are really very nicely printed, very clear, no black wheels around the symbols. The symbols are also very well recognizable. The poured glue is very sticky. It does not extend beyond the design. Full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 74 by 55 centimeters. I was actually contemplating on purchasing a different kit. I think I don't remember the name, but there was a church and people were going to this church. But the reason why I didn't buy it was the drill shape, square ones. I really love Diamond Art Club round drills, but as to the square ones, as far as I see, they have a gapping issue. Not a big one, but still visible. So at this point, Wizardy is the only company that has square drill kits without any gapping issue. But again, it has cheap materials when it comes to the canvas and the double-sided tape. it is not my first diamond painting kit from Diamond Art Club. I diamond painted already two of them, and I love the result. My problem with Diamond Art Club is their non-standard sizes, 74 by 55 centimeters. I usually purchase um, poster frames, complete ready poster frames from Michaels, and this is not a standard size for a poster frame, so they're more expensive if I buy a regular frame, and they're heavier, So this is the only problem that I have with Diamond Art Club. If they were like 70 by 50 centimeters, for example, I will be purchasing them um, much frequently. Although there is one more kit that I really like, but it is sold online only. I haven't seen it in the stores yet. Also very pretty, fall related. So as to this diamond painting, sorry, I was talking too much. As to this diamond painting, I love that the canvas is not like the the rendering is not color related. I love this. It has the element of surprise in it, because look, that's how the rendering looks, and that how the completed kit should turn out, because Diamond Art Club shows the completed picture on their boxes, which is great. You can make up your mind right away whether it's worth purchasing or not. This one definitely is worth it. So non-color related pictures. I love it, love it, love it. Diamond Art Club rules. One more thing. Diamond Art Club has an international shipping, and it is free if you purchase kits for $75 or more. And it ships everywhere, including Ukraine, which is great news for me, because I have a lot of friends in Ukraine who want to try Diamond Art Club. So, of course, even $75 is way too expensive for them because of the war, because their salaries are not as high as in America and Europe. But, for example, when there is a sale for maybe 4th of July, they might purchase something. So I told them they're really very excited. Okay, now I said everything about mm, the canvas. Now let's look at the drills. 44 colors, two of them are AB diamonds. And of course, when I purchased this kit, I decided to enhance this kit with crystals, specifically on the windows, to show the illumination coming from the windows, and most likely I will use one more AB color. Now let's focus on the drills. I'm sorry guys, I'm talking too much today. Usually my videos are much shorter. Very nice fall like diamonds, very bright colors. Bright, but again, yet they are very realistic, very natural, like regular, like um, natural fall colors. Absolutely the same that we have here in the sea area during fall season. So these are round resin drills. Here they are. To tell you the truth, they are really very nice, high quality resin drills. But still, I personally prefer diamond dots drills when it comes to round ones, because they are a little bit different from other drills that I worked so far. They are more faceted, they are thicker, if it is possible to say so, they are a little bit taller, um, and they give more sparkle than other drills. Although these ones are also very nice, they're just not as faceted and is not as heavy as the Diamond Dots ones. I guess Diamond Dots has um, some specific manufacturer when it comes to the drills, because I haven't seen such drills anywhere else. So as to the AB colors, there are two, white one and the orange one. So what I was thinking of replacing these two colors on the windows with the crystals. I need to see if I actually have any close shades. And I am thinking of replacing this one, this color, with a Diamond Dots ABs. It is not like 100% the same shade, but very, very, very similar. I'm gonna replace it on the trees to give the kit more sparkle. I'm sorry if there is a cracking sound again. I'm sitting on the floor and the floor is dry. So that's how it looks. I really love it and I'm really very excited to start working on it. Sorry. So now let's open the pen. Here it is. That's how it looks. Really nice one. So let's open and see how it looks inside. Again, $8 on sale. Really very nice design. Again, as I mentioned before, I usually do not purchase diamond painting pens, but this one is beautiful, perfect. Let me turn on the flash. Maybe you will see it better. You see there are some sparkles inside. It's pink, as if there is the water inside and sparkles. Really nice pen. Comes with, of course, singular placer. How do you call it? One placer, four placer, and seven placer. I do not use four placer. I don't find it comfortable, but I do use the seven placer a lot. Maybe that is why I finish my diamond paintings more or less fast. And one more thing that I wanted to show you, I wanted to show you the progress of my project. Those of you who follow my Facebook have already noticed, most probably already saw it. I'm almost done, just a little bit left. Of course, I won't be finish it today, but most likely I will finish it in the beginning of the next week. This is a lady in yellow dress from Diamond Dots, 40 by 50 centimeters. Beautiful colors. The pattern is really very nicely charted. I can see every single detail. Nice resolution. So once it is completed, I will upload a post review. So this is it for today. Check your Hobby Lobbies. Check Hobby Lobbies online if you don't have any nearby, like me, for example. And see if the sale is still going on. If you don't have physical Hobby Lobbies next to you, you can always order the kits online because I checked it. They also have this sale, 40% of sale going on. And also don't forget to check the official Diamond Art Club website, because they also have sales on it from time to time, and they have more variety of kits than Hobby Lobby. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon.